Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a ponytail tutorial for you guys. So as you can see at the moment, oh my god, interruptions. At the moment my ponytail isn't much, no matter how long my hair has actually ever been. I've always had like the weakest ponytail game, I don't even know why. So I wish I knew about this sooner. So if you're like me, like, you have to get this. This is life-changing. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a quick tutorial with my hair today, just to show you guys how I put this in and how quick and easy it really is. I'm actually about to get ready to go out and get some brunch, so you know, this is real time, ready to go. Yep. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how I do it. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the extension here. So it's just like one big thing, and then it's got a clip here and then a wraparound piece right here. This is the shade 613, which is Bleach Blonde. I will have all this linked down below and a link to the product as well. But I did tone mine just because my blonde doesn't start until my ponytail. I just needed it a little bit more toned. Yeah, so it is human hair, you can tone it, but I just thought I'd show you how quick it is, and I feel like it just is the best hairstyle. It is so good. It's just so good because you can just whip this on, literally. Doesn't matter if you straighten your hair that day, doesn't matter if it looks shit. You can literally just pop this in and it will look like you spent hours on your hair. It's so good. So I've just got this and some bobby pins, so let's get into it. So I'm just going to, obviously I've still got my hair, I've got my hair tied up, and then I'm just going to take this. I just realized that I can't see what I'm doing. Sorry. So then you just put this underneath where your hair tie is and push that in. And then there's actually Velcro around it. So I push it in this way and take the wraparound piece, just connect the two of those, get it to where I want it. Make sure it's comfortable because you don't want it to be uncomfortable. And then just start wrapping. Alright, so then you'll be left with a little bit, so that's where the bobby pins come in. I would say you definitely need like 3. I know I wouldn't go any less just because security. And that's it. It literally takes, I don't even know how long this video has been recording for. This video's been recording for 4 minutes and I've been yapping most of it, but it takes no time, like no time, and I feel like it looks so good. Like, it just kind of completes a look. It's sleek, it's perfect for day, perfect for night. Sometimes I will chuck a scrunchie in here to make it look a little bit more casual. But yeah, that's it. It's literally that simple. I'll turn around so you guys can see it. And that's it. Yeah, that's literally it. There's no other tricks to it. It's that simple. So yeah, that is it for this video. As I said before, I will have all the links to this down below and all the information about it. And yeah, if you want to see how I wear it and style it every day, check out my Instagram. But yeah, also thank you so much for Eden Hair Extensions for sending me this ponytail. It has literally changed my life. I will also have all their links down below, so don't forget to check them out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!